Philippines?
With regard to the interim release, no, I do not know really, truly, honestly, I do not know what the steps are the lawyers are doing with regard to the interim release. But as I told you before, I hear for his life in the Philippines. But we follow what the client wants, what President Duterte wants, and he wants to go home.
To the
And-
Philippines?
yes. And everyone wants him to go home to the Philippines. And the Buenos want him to go because they will be his mayor
Yes.
for the next 3 years.
But with regards to what the palace said, ma'am, yung sinasabi po nila na kapag yun po yung hihilingin, does this mean that we have to recognize the ICC, that it has jurisdiction over the Philippines? Eh wala na nga pong jurisdiction sila.
Wala naman po kami hinihingi sa palace. We did not ask for the palace for anything. So I do not know what they are talking about.
Ma'am, I think the context po is kapag inirelease sa Pilipinas ang isang detainee, kailangan sumunod sa lahat ng kondisyon ng ICC yung bansang pagdadalhan ng detainee po. And in this case, if he will be released to the Philippines, then they should follow all the conditions of the ICC. And in that case, this would mean parang nasa jurisdiction pa rin tayo ng ICC.
Well, that is something that they have to think about.
Mm-hmm.
The administration has to think about what their next steps are. So they should not ask the family, they should not ask the Filipino people on what their next steps are with regard to the talk on the return of former President Duterte to the Philippines. Maybe when they've decided, if ever they will decide what their next steps are, if ever it is even discussed inside the halls of the palace, they can tell us what their plans are. The government intends to do with the return of President Duterte.